Hi, my name is Katie Regan, and I am the instructor for the Google Forms Advanced online course. I'm from the CINURIC, and I'm an instructional technology specialist. And I just wanted to give you a little bit of overview of how you'll be using the materials and where you'll be posting your assignments. So I'm just going to share my screen with you and go through a couple of things. So first, I'm going to be sending you a link to the site. And the Google site looks like this, and that will show you everything you need to know about the class. So if you click on Course Overview, this gives you a description of the course, any objectives, a direct link to the Google Plus community, and a little how-to step-by-step tutorial on how to do Google Plus. You can make that bigger if you want to, but I'll go over some of that. And then it's set up by modules. So each module has the same sections. It has the Learn, Materials, Create, and Share. So it'll have the objective, any materials that you need to go through and look at and learn from and do from. And then the middle section is what I'm asking you to do. And then the last section, Share, is what you'll actually be posting. So each module is set up the same way, like that. And then you will be posting your assignments in Google+. So this is what Google+, the community, looks like. The advanced one is a little bare, so I'm just showing you the beginner course right now so that you can see how it works. So I can see right now all of the posts. If I click on the left-hand side, these are the different areas of our community. And I click on all the posts, and these are all the posts that everyone has created for all of the modules. And if I click on introductions, that will filter and show me only the posts for the introductions. And the same thing if I click on module 1, that will show me only the posts for module 1. So these are just filters, kind of like in Facebook. To post something in Google Plus in the community, you'll see this box up here that says what's new with you. If you click your mouse inside that, you can begin to type. In each module, you'll be asked to type something a little bit different, and then you'll be posting a link. So when I click on the link tool, I can paste a link here, and that will show up. I can also paste a link up in the text box itself, and it will keep expanding as I need. And then down here, I choose where it's going to go in the community. If I'm already clicked on module 1, it will automatically pick module 1, but I can change that if I need to. And then I would click share. The other part of each module is to comment on each other's posts and give each other feedback and encouragement and help if it need be. So if I'm looking at this post here by Lucas Smith, and I want to make a comment to him, I can click the plus sign and start typing his name. It will pop up, usually it's the first one, and I hit enter or click on it, it will tag him. So just like in Facebook with the @ sign, the plus sign in Google Plus will tag someone. So I can tag any member of the community at any time in my conversation in the comments below. I can also, to let people know that I've seen it, I can click on the +1, and that saves it for later use as well. So this is what the community looks like. I'm going to refresh my screen because it kind of squished everything in the middle. It looks slightly different on the iPad, but not that much different. You still can do all of the same things. Back. But I do want to let you know that this course will heavily be done in Google Sheets. You will use Google Forms, but most of the work, most of the background will be done in Google Sheets. And what Google Sheets allows us to do is to manipulate the data that you get from the Google form, but it also allows us to automate workflow with things like formulas and add-ons. So it is a little bit harder than the beginner course, but you'll be learning on how to use a couple different formulas and some add-ons to automate those emails or automate documents, just like AutoCrap. So when I, for example, Formule, when I fill this form out, I have it set up to send two different emails, to send an email to the participant that signed up and an email to the principal of the building, just as an FYI. And I automated that with Formule, copy down, and a formula called VLOOKUP. So you'll be learning all of those skills. Let me go back to my camera here. Okay, so if at any time you need help, just shoot me an email or tag me in a post or tag me in a comment. And the other thing we can do, because everyone is scattered about in Central New York, maybe it's really difficult to find a time to meet during the summer, we could pop up on a Google Hangout just like this, and I can show you some things, walk you through some things, or you can show me some of the issues that you're having and I can walk you through them. So this is definitely an option for us. And if you, again, have any questions, please feel free to let me know. All right, that's it. Thanks.